Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change email on Squarespace. So I just want to tell you that you can only do this if you have used your email address to register here on Squarespace. But if you have used your Google account, then there's another method for that. To change your email address here on your Squarespace, what you're going to do is you have to look for your profile or you have to look for your accounts and security. So you have to click your profile right here. And then what you're going to do next is locate your accounts and security. Now, if you're on your home page, you just have to click your profile at the top. And then you have to scroll down, look for accounts and security, tap this one. And you should see this accounts and security, tap on change email address. Now, before you can change your email address, you have to verify that it's you who's making some changes here. So you need to add or enter password. Once done, then you should see the new option below. So you have to add your new email address right here and re-enter your new email address again. And after that, what you're going to do next is you need to tap on the save button. Once you've entered your new email address right here, tap on save, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see that you have changed your email address here on your Squarespace. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.